A single closed account on your credit report can silently destroy your credit score for next 7 years. And 90% of people who try to remove it make one critical mistake in the first 48 hours that locks in the place permanently. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the 3 types of closed accounts you need to remove immediately, and the 1 type you should never touch, and the exact legal leverage that forces legal bureaus to delete them, even if they have told you you're verified and accurate. Whether your score is 520 or 720, this strategy works, but only if you follow this step by step and as I'm going to show you. You paid that card 3 years ago, you moved on. You thought you did everything right, but your credit score is still being held hostage by its ghost. That frustration, that feeling of being punished for something you already fixed is exactly why you are here, and it's not your fault. Understanding closed account. Here's what most people don't understand. Not every closed account is your enemy. Most closed accounts are secretly protecting your score right now. Before we talk about deletion, you need to know which account to leave untouched, because deleting the wrong one can drop your score 40 points overnight. Type 1. Closed in good standing. Never touch this. This means the account was paid off, never late, and closed cleanly. Even though it says closed, this account is actively helping you. It adds to your payment history, your credit age, and credit mix. If you dispute it and it gets deleted, you lose all the positive history. This is forbidden move. Never remove a closed account in a good standing. Type 2. Closed with late payment. Fix this, don't delete it. This account has some positive history, but it's scattered with 30 days late, 60 days late, maybe even 90 days late. Those late payments are dragging your credit score down. Your goal is to not delete its correction. You want those late payments reversed to paid as agreed. Type 3. Close charge-off. Must be deleted. This is nuclear option. A charge-off cannot be reversed. No creditor will change a charge-off back to current. The entire account must be deleted or it will continue tanking your score. The only exception is American Express and Chase. They have been known to delete entire charge-off, but they are pushing back hard now. Here's the shocking part. When a closed account gets deleted, your score can temporarily drop. If that account had 6 years of positive history buried under one charge-off, deleting it erases those 6 years too. But with charge-off, the negative outweighs everything else. It has to go. Step number 1. Pull all 3 credit reports. Before you dispute anything, pull all 3 credit reports from annualcredit.com. It's not once a year anymore. It's once per week. Directly from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Print all 3 reports and grab a highlighter. You're now hunting for discrepancies. What to look for? Your legal leverage. Look for dates that do not match across bureaus. Look for balances that differ. Look for account numbers with missing digits or asterisks with different places. Look for a date or first delinquency that appears on report but not on others. Any difference? No matter how small, this is your leverage. Credit bureaus are required by law to report information that is accurate, complete, and verifiable. If one bureau shows a balance of $1,200 and other shows $1,150, that's incomplete report. A client recently had a closed auto loan from 2018. One bureau shows closed in March, other shows April. That single 1 month delinquency was enough. We disputed it under 15 USC 1681 and the account was deleted in 32 days. Step number 2, the dispute letter. Most people fall here. Most people write something like, "This account is wrong, please remove it." That guarantees failure. The bureaus will respond instantly with verified and accurate. Instead, you challenge multiple specific inaccuracies in one letter. Here's the structure. This account shows a zero balance yet remaining marked as delinquent. The account number is incomplete with asterisks replacing digits. The date of first delinquency is missing while the other bureaus report conflicting dates. Please verify and correct this information as required. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, Section 609, you must give them 4 problems to solve. If they cannot verify all four, the account gets deleted. Step number 3. How to send it properly. Send this letter by certified mail to Experian, Equifax, and France. Send this letter by certified mails to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Include a copy of your ID, proof of address such as utility bills, pay stub, and phone bills or car insurance. Keep your tracking number. That green receipt is evidence. Critical mistake most people make. Most people only dispute with big three. That's wrong. You also need to dispute with secondary credit reporting agencies like Invoice, LexisNexis, ARS, Credco, and Clarity Services. If the account still exists in the database, it can reappear later. You must remove it everywhere. Secret weapon, write like a human. Don't sound like a lawyer. Don't use robotic language. The system flags credit repair companies automatically. Write like a real person. Add emotions. Say things like, I am honestly confused why this is still reporting. Human language forces human review. Power move most people miss. Include a copy of your credit report with the errors highlighted. The system does not expect proof. This forces manual handling, which is when real deletion happens. Step number 4. Escalation if they don't delete. Wait 30 to 40 days and pull your report again. If the account is still there, don't stop. File a complaint, not a dispute, with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau at consumerfinance.government. Upload your original dispute letter, the Bureau's response, your certified mail receipt, and your updated credit report. Now the bureaus must answer to federal agency. Pressure increases instantly. At the same time, send a second dispute letter referring their failure to proper investigation. Now you're applying pressure from 2 directions. Special strategy. Pay for it only if done correctly. If it's small charge-off, some creators will agree to delete the amount in exchange for payment. But never ever pay unless you get the agreement in writing. Once you pay without deletion guarantee, your chances drop below 10%. Paid charge-offs still destroy your score. Final instructions. Document everything, every letter, every response, every tracking number. Your paper trail is your weapon. Most people wait 7 years for time to fix their credit. You must learn how to force deletion in 30 to 40 days using federal law. If this helped you understand how to remove closed accounts from your credit report, hit the like button so more people can see like this. And I'll see you in the next video where we can break down how to dispute collections with the right way.